Okay, let's start. Okay, she wants this, and this. That's a lot. So what I'm going to be using for this is this container. Yay! So she wanted the cloud slime. It's really sticky, but I think she won't mind. Let me just show you guys. Yeah, it's good cloud slime. I'm pretty sure she'll love it. Put that in the bag. Next one, she wanted the banana slime. It's really glossy. I don't want to touch it because I'm a good seller. Just oh, and for real this time, I will be playing with that slime later on in other episodes of videos or whatever. But that's it for today. We got 2 more slimes to go, and we're going to deliver them. Bye!